What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Yo Spider, and we back with another video. Hey, man, I told you I got y'all some POVs, bro. So don't worry. Roll these windows down. And we gon', you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna turn this arrow up because that's way better. That's way better. It's cold as at Popo. It's like 12, but it's just snow on his car. Hey, I got a question. So I'm about to get my cats cut on my car. I didn't know it was primary and secondary. Which one do I cut so my check engine light doesn't cut on? Because if I get my cats cut and my check engine light come on, I'm going to be pissed. You know, it's cold as fuck outside. I ain't gonna lie to you. It is cold, man. Oh my god, it feels so good to be back in my car, bro. I'm trying to. Come on, people. They're like, my job is hell, bro. They really had us at work like while it was ice on the ground, bro. Last, what was it? Thursday. I had working. Hell, let's see. I'm gonna roll these windows up, bro. It's cold, bro. They had us working out here while it's still ice on the road, bro. When I came to work, I'm talking about I was sliding, bro. I had to literally, you know, take my foot off the gas and go, you know what I'm saying? You know how it go. But that shit is crazy, bro. I'm talking about black ice on the road. Because normally we work Monday through Thursday. So they had us working. They got us working the weekends like 8 days straight. So it snowed from what, Tuesday to Wednesday. I think, was it Tuesday to Thursday? It was one of them. I can't remember, but yeah, we missed a lot of days from work. So now we gotta make up for it, you know. Yeah. Check out my lights, you know what I'm saying? Orange look kind of hot, right? That orange look kind of nice. This blue, this nice, green. But yeah, I really need to know like which cats to cut, like pipe, whatever. The primary or the secondary, bro. Hey, don't judge me. I'm still learning about cars, bro. You want to know what's funny, bro? When I got my car, I didn't even know I had got an RT. I didn't know. I just wanted a charger, honestly. I always wanted a charger like since I was little, you know. And then once I got it, that's when I started like seeing it everywhere. And I feel like it's always like that. Once you get a car, bro, you start to see everybody with that car. Like, let's say you get a Jeep, you start to see everybody with that Jeep. And it's just crazy. Like, I ain't gonna lie to you, I didn't know nothing about an SRT at all. I didn't know nothing about it. track hawk, none of that stuff. You know, I was just like, I know I'm gonna get me a charger. So like, if it was just a regular charger, I probably would have been like, oh, you know, this is my baby. You know, I thought all chargers was the same. I didn't know it was different ones. You know, like I said something about this dude. I'm thinking he put the scat badge, the Bumblebee on his RT, but I guess they like the old models or some shit like that. Something I didn't know about. So I'm making fun of him, like, but he actually had a scat. I'm like, oh snap! Somebody commented on one of my videos. I was like, nah, bro, that's an actual scat. You know, but it had RT on it. I was like, what the hell? Something I didn't know. Like I said, I'm still learning. I didn't know they had chargers. Well, the first one I seen, it was a Challenger. It was an RT Challenger with a scat. Well, it is a scat. But I didn't know they had chargers. Wow, this guy. I didn't know they had charger scats with RT on it. I didn't know that. I didn't know nothing about a Striker, a Straight 8, none of this stuff. I'm like, what is going on right now? I don't know what I'm gonna eat, bro. I'm hungry. I ain't gonna lie to you. I probably DoorDash. Not DoorDash. I hate fucking DoorDash. Uber eat some food, man. But yeah, I'm really finna be back on my my grinding on this channel, man. For real. I'm finna get the little 360 camera to go in the back of my car so y'all can hear the mufflers, the pipe sounds, and all that stuff. Yeah, it's really finna go crazy, bro. I'm finna put a what is that? A 3.09 def. So I'm finna swap that. Finna get that, bro. I'm finna get my shit together, bro. Like real shit. And then that's gonna be a whole nother video, bro. I'm telling you, bro. And then I'm gonna go find somewhere to actually slide for the first time. I never slid a car before, never. And what's so funny was when I got this charger, bro. I'm thinking I can slide this shit. I'm thinking like I can slide my RT. You know what I'm saying? So I go behind like a building. I got my little brother with me, and I'm like, why the fuck this shit ain't slide? I must be doing it the wrong way. And then I look it up. They was like, oh, you gotta swap the depth. I'm like, what? Bro, come on, man. Come on, man. Why y'all do the RTs like that? Like, why y'all? Come on, bro. But it was like, you gotta swap the depth. I was like, okay. So, I'm gonna get one. I'm definitely gonna get one. It's coming real soon. Coming real soon, bro. And then, like I said, I want to slide my shit. I want to master that sliding shit. I don't want to get in a pit and hit somebody's shit. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to get in there and not know what the hell I'm doing. So I'm gonna do a lot of practice of that, so that way I have confidence within myself, you know, to slide my car. Like, I want to be that nigga. I'm gonna take the shortcut right here. Cause niggas be job stupid. I want to be that nigga. They be like, oh, that RT hard as fuck. That's one of the RTs. You know what I'm saying? You know, but like, I do want to get a scat and shit. Like, all chargers get broken too, but like scats and Hellcats, them shits get stolen. They probably try to steal a RT, but not more than the goddamn Hellcat and the scat. They gonna go for the scat than the RT. But shit, you never know, bro. Niggas is still anything. I'm gonna take me a thumbnail, and this is gonna be the end of the video, cause that nigga is hungry, bro. Nigga is hungry than a motherfucker. Like it's ice right here. That's crazy. Alright, YouTube. It's your boy RT, Yo Spider, and you know what I'm saying, do all that good stuff, you know what I'm saying, like, comment, subscribe. I really need those comments about which cats I need to cut, the primary or the secondary, because I don't need my check engine light coming on, bro. Please do me that favor. Anybody, somebody, please help a brother out. You know what I'm saying? And another question. So if all I need is the 3.09 depth. That's all I need to slide my shit. That's question number 2. Please put that in the comments. It's your boy RTO Spider. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below on what's some good mods to put on my car. You know, should I go back with the black hood or should I put the black stripes down the middle of my car? Okay. All right.